Dear learners, today we will see the drugs acting on nervous system, and under this topic we will cover today the opium. The objective behind this topic is on completion of this period you would be able to learn about the monograph of CNS drug, that is opium. The poppy field, how it grows, is shown here in the picture. Opium synonym is Afim or Apu. Biological source: air dried milky exudates from the unripe capsules of Papaver somniferum, which belongs to family Papaveraceae. The poppy capsules are shown here in the picture, and their dried milky exudates are also seen here in the picture. Geographically, this drug is from Pakistan, Afghanistan, Turkestan, Russia, China, Iran. In India, it grows in Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Flowering opium fields is shown here at the flowering stage, how the field looks. In cultivation, collection and preparation of opium, the seeds are sown during the sunny days from September to April. The distance between the plant is maintained at up to 25 cm. Best climatic conditions are cool weather without freezing temperature and cloudiness and sunshine. The field, the collection of opium, is shown here in the picture, how it is collected. Incising the poppy capsules with nostrus. See here, incising procedure. In cultivation, collection and preparation, flowering occurs during April and May. Unripe capsules with green or yellow color, longitudinally incised with spikes called nostrus during June, July in the afternoon. The exuded latex is scraped off with a knife in the morning. Morphologically, this latex has a shape rounded flattened mass is there. Color is externally pale olive or olive gray with odor characteristic and highly bitter in taste. Consistency is a quite elastic one when fresh and becomes tough, hard and brittle on storage. Incised poppy capsule is shown in the picture. Chemically, it contains 30 different alkaloids found mostly as salts of meconic acid and a few with sulfuric acids. Alkaloids present in opium can be divided mainly into two groups depending upon the amino acids from which they are derived. Alkaloids containing phenanthrene nucleus, and second, alkaloids containing benzyl isoquinoline ring structure. Phenanthrene alkaloids are morphine, codeine, dibane, and benzyl isoquinoline alkaloids are papaverine, noscapine, and other alkaloids are narcine, quaternine, hydroquaternine, protopine, luteinine, codamine. In its chemical test, very first, opium is tested for the presence of meconic acid, opium dissolved in water, filter and in filtrate add ferric chloride solution, you will get reddish purple color. Very second, morphine is treated with sulfuric acid and SCHO. It gives dark violet color. Very next chemical test, morphine solution plus potassium ferricyanide plus ferric chloride will get bluish green in color. Very fourth, papaverine solution is treated with hydrochloric acid and potassium ferricyanide. We will get lemon yellow color. In the uses of opium, it shows CNS depressant action, used as narcotic analgesic and hypnotic, checks the excessive peristalsis and is used in control of diarrhea, is a source of various useful alkaloids like morphine, codeine, noscapine and papaverine. Morphine is used as narcotic analgesic, causes euphoria and habit forming. Codeine is used as sedative, used in cup mixtures, antitussive agent. Noscapine is used as a non-narcotic, has a cup suppressant action, acting on central antitussive agents. Papaverine is used as a smooth muscle relaxant and used in the treatment of muscular spasms. Several semi-synthetic molecules of opium alkaloids are available. Heroin has a more narcotic analgesic action than morphine. By losing one molecule of water, morphine gives apomorphine, which is emetic and used to treat poisoning cases. In summary, what we learn? We have learned about CNS drug opium, which contains mainly phenanthrene and benzyl isoquinoline alkaloids. Opium alkaloids mainly shows CNS depressant activity. Under the quiz question, very first question, opium contains phenanthrene alkaloids, benzyl isoquinoline alkaloids, both, none of the above, and our correct answer is both A and B. Very second question, which of the opium products is a non-narcotic? Morphine, codeine, heroin, noscapine, and our correct answer is noscapine. Frequently asked question on this topic is, very first, write about cultivation and collection of opium. Second, write the botanical source and morphological characters of opium. Very third, mention the opium alkaloids and their uses.